All right, welcome back, and now we're going to do an example of a definite integral using this. Now, notice in this case, remember in previous videos when we did trig functions, to do u substitution, I said I need to have, especially with trig functions, I need to be able to see both trig functions, right? So here I've got sine and cosine, and I know that the derivative of sine is cosine and the derivative of cosine is negative sine, so we can use u substitution here. Now here's the thing, is now cosine is in the bottom. I know the derivative of cosine is negative sine, and so the derivative is on the top. So again, that's what I want. I want to match up dx with on the numerator, right? So if I make u equal to 1 plus cosine x, that will do it for me, because then du will equal negative sine x dx, and then of course I can multiply both sides by negative 1, and I get this. And so now there's my du, right? And so now this can be rewritten as what? Well, this is going to be u, this is going to be du, so I get the negative out here. So it's going to be du over u. All right. Now, the only thing we have to do is change the limits of integration. So when x is 0, u is 2. u2. Okay. And when x is pi over 2, cosine is 0. So I get 1. Now notice again, the limits of integration are backwards here, so let's switch those and then switch the sign. So that's going to be the same as the definite integral from 1 to 2 of du over u. And of course, what's the integral of this thing? Well, again, you can rewrite it to see it better, but if you know it, you know it. So this is 1 over u du, right? And so now this is obviously going to be the integral. So the antiderivative of this is the natural log of the absolute value of u evaluated from 1 to 2. So now all we have to do is use the fundamental theorem of calculus. And so what do I get? I get the natural log of, well, since these are both positive, I can just drop the absolute value sign. So it's the natural log of 2 minus the natural log of 1. And what's the natural log of 1? 0. So this is just the natural log of 2, and we're done. Have a great day.